Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Well, today I'm going to share you a tutorial. So this tutorial is based on question from our friend Tuqeer Ahmad Khokhar. I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name, and he's asking I want to cut, yes, the question is I want to cut the black color and pink color present on this design. That is, the pink color doesn't fall below and in the line of black. How will it be? Well, I give an answer, and so I give an options. Which one is that? Answer 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, and yes, 2 and 3 is the answer of my question. So well, I hope this tutorial will help you how to figure out and how to execute this kind of design. So I'm going to give you a tutorial, and exactly this tutorial that I presented to you, and for others as well, for those who are beginners who doesn't know how to make this become how to execute this kind of design to be like this answer 2 and 3, right? So I'm heading to my Canva in there. Actually this one I've done already, but I'm going to give a short tutorial about this in here. All right, so this is the design exactly that I made it, and this is the case over here. All right, so I'm going to give you one by one. All right, so I will just copy this one, and okay, because you choose this 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to relocate this design over here, and I will just put in here. So I'm going to break down all this design one by one and how to execute this kind of design. So now I'm going to break down this kind of design. All right, okay, this answer 2. Well, before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siu Sarama. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. Nice to meet you all. And the aim of making this tutorial video, just to help others, again, just to help others to help them how to execute this kind of design, so that there's no confusion, and you don't have to use other party, you don't have to go to other programs so to make it this complete. Well, so for those who are not yet have a Canva Pro account, guys, I recommend you to click this link over here. This link is official link from Canva. I was affiliated with Canva, and if you click this one, is a big help for me. I will just get token from them once you click on this, and this one is affiliations, so that anybody who uses this link, I will get tokens. But if you are already Canva Pro users, you don't have to. You just keep going watching it, and that's fair enough. All right, guys. So let's go back to the case, and let's continue this one. All right, so I'm going to copy the things that here. So this is the case over here. I'm going just to put in here, and how to make it this one as like this. All right, first of all, I go here to the element over here, and once you go to the element over here, then I'm going to show you this one, the element here. Okay, so you just click this one, or click see all, right, and grab this one. Okay, and you can adjust this one. Okay, I'm going just to copy the things over here. Okay, just like, you know, same size, I'll put all over it. And after that, this one, if you like to copy, and if you like to okay, so the element that here, this one, this is the name of element. I'm going to put in here forward. So the name of the element I use here is a wavy simple line. So just you guys, in case you are wondering how to get this one over here. All right, so so I will just put in here anywhere. You can put in that, but I will just follow the position as based on the case, right? So that's the position. Okay, I'm going just copy it, and after that grab it and put in here. All right, he's asking for about black one. Okay, I will just change the color black and this one. Okay, so I got that one as well here. So this is the name of wait a second here. Okay, so this is the name of the element that I use here from it's kind of, yeah, from this shape anyway, but I forgot what's the name of this. Yes, here, I think here, yeah, this one, yeah, this one. So this one, and upside down I turning here and I change color. Okay, so that's why I get this shape of here. Okay, so I'll just like to make similar from the original one. Okay, so here I put in here and all the way there and put it back for a while. Okay, so I'm going to break down this one and let's see how it works. All right, okay, so now this one over here, okay, as you can see in here, this one is you can move. All right, so if you get this one, you just click edit image. Okay, and then after that click duotone. This duotone you can get it from here. Okay, wait a second. Once you click this one and then edit image, and then if you just look for this duotone. Okay, so I will just randomly this one, so you can click duotone, see all, and here I click this one, and don't worry about color changing, but you need to slide backward this intensity all the way backward so that the black color came back again, and after that apply. So why I suggest you guys to use this one, to get this element here become PNG format, so you don't have to go back, download and upload. So this is the easiest way how to change this element become PNG. So after this one, okay, so let's go to shadow. All right, so click after that one, click shadow and click glow. After you click glow and click back again and change the color become white, and after that the size and transparency you need to all the way forward and blur all the way backward. All right, so we can reduce the size, and as you can see the white color, so this is the reason, this is where I get these white lines of here. Okay, so after that, after you resize, and exactly this is what the size you wanted, and if you like to make it bigger, it's up to you, you can make it bigger. All right, so I will just put like this, and after that apply. So after apply, so just put on the top of here, and I will just make it bigger and adjust this color over here, and I will just adjust over here too. Now what are we gonna do? Okay, so go back again and take this square, this square or any square that you can colorable, you can use in here. So what you're gonna do is to cover this one. Okay, so go back in here, backward. Okay, and you can adjust over here. Okay, you can cut. Okay, and this. Okay, and more backward, and so this is the trick how to make this one, and I hope it's easy actually. So as long as you know the trick how to make this one simple, and well, it's fun, you know, it's fun. So I will just do it one by one, so you just copy paste, and again turning over here, and you're almost done over there. Okay, so now we are done. Okay, and you can make it smaller a little bit, this one here, and this one here. All right, so once we get this one, now we need to make it straight. This one, erase this one, change the color, become white, and after that, turning this one become white. Okay, and move a little bit. Now we get this one here. Okay, so this is the process how to answer this number 2. Okay, so this is the process of here, and now after that you can group it, and maybe you will ask how to download it. So remove this one. Okay, so remove this one and make it bigger. This one. Okay, so you can download it. You can download it by click this here and download, and click here PNG if you like PNG or other format, it's up to you. And for that, just click this one, current page, and it will download it, the current page. So that's the way how to download it. So that's the way how to execute this kind of design. And number 3, how to execute this one, it's just the same. Okay, just the same way like the other one. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to make this one right here. Okay, so number 3 here. Okay, all right, so I'm going to copy this one here and to let you know how to execute this kind of design. Okay, so forget about this for a while. Let's just move this one here. Okay, I'm going to move this one, and this all kind of element that I use here, I'm going to move for a while. Okay, wait a second, I need this one. Okay, all right, so this is your questions, and the number 2 are done already, and number 3 is now here. Okay, so I'm going to ungroup this one first, and here we go. How to make this one happen. Okay, all right, so okay, just the same way like I did. So you just put this square that colorable, so position, you just click position and back, all the way back. Okay, so do not afraid, so you can close later on. And okay, just move a little bit behind and turn here like this, turn the position of the shape, and again this one you can turn the position of the shape and backward. All right, so here, there you go. Okay, so do the same thing until it gets done. Here you go, just to cover this one, so that all in shape, all in good shape. Okay, there you go. All right, so this is I think the way that I did is a little bit hard, but anyway, I'm going to show you the other things that you can make it. So I will just show this one. You can use blob. Okay, you can use blob. You just go to element, just type blob, and this kind of shape here you can just put it here. Okay, and then you can change the color as you wish. Alright, so once you get this one, and then one more time you can duplicate it and change the color white and put it back. Okay, so this one you can do like that. And to erase this one, you may just use this shape, this square shape to cover. Yes, and wait a second, and cover on top, and done. Okay, and done. Alright, so this is the easiest way. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and this is all about, and I hope after watching this tutorial you can make it. So this tutorial is made for those who are not yet familiar how to make this kind of design, and I hope this case it's been answered, and I hope you are happy with this, because the solutions is in there. Alright, so I'm glad that I can be an answer for your problem, for your case. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching, that's fair enough. Thank you guys, and see you again to the next tutorial. Bye bye.